Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make and publish Instagram Reels in Meta Business Suite. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook, and you need to open Facebook, and then you need to select your page and go into the Meta Business Suite, and you simply need to add your Instagram account into Meta Business Suite. Once you add it, you can see an option of create reel here. Click on that, and then you simply need to select Instagram page from here. So I'm going to show you step one page. So it is a similar, so this is the video, and then I'm adding here. You can add caption. Okay, so I'm going to add a random, and here you can choose thumbnail that you want to add, or if you want you can add upload image. If you want you can add collaborations. Okay, so it is up to you, and then you need to click on next. So if you want you can crop, you can add music as well. Click on next, and if you want you can schedule as well from here, and then you need to, if you want you can schedule, and if you want to post you simply need to click on share. So this is a process by which you can make and publish Instagram Reels in Meta Business Suite. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.